Good morning to you and happy Monday. I hope you've had a good start to the working week. The sun is beaming into my office here this morning. It's a beautiful, bright, crisp morning. Now, today I want to talk about your commute because most of us have to contend with a commute, whether that's driving or whether you're using public transport like a bus or a train or maybe even a plane, who knows. Most of us have to contend with a commute. What I want to bring your attention to is that your commute or your car is actually your university. It's an opportune time every single day to feed your mind with new information, positive stuff that helps you to grow and expand, a space where you can learn new things that are going to help you to grow as a human being. Now, many years ago when I started my journey towards self-development, I very quickly realised that my commute time was an opportune time for me to actually listen to stuff as I was driving along, whether that was an audio book or some kind of course of study that I was doing that I could continue to do as I was in the car, or whether it was listening to a clip on YouTube just to lift my spirits. So I've always used my commute time back and forth doing the school run and going to meetings to help to expand my mind. So I want to bring this to your attention today. What can you do? Think about your commute, and rather than doing what you always do, and most of us, yes, we listen to music or, we listen to the news or the morning radio station, which of course is fine. But how about considering using this time to learn something new, to get inspired, or even learn a language ready for your holiday later in the year? It's totally up to you, but use this precious time because most of us are spending half an hour in the morning and then doing exactly the same on the way home. That's a massive amount of time that we could be using to expand our thinking, our life. It's a brilliant time. So just give this some thought this week. Rather than doing what you've always done, think about how you can expand your mind. Go and find somebody that you want to follow on YouTube and listen to clips, or download an audio book, or maybe there's some kind of course of study that you can take into your car as an audio and listen to as you commute. Totally up to you. I hope this little tip has served you today and will help you to grow and expand this week. For more inspiration, more guidance, come and join me over at thegameoflife.co.uk, and I will catch you again very soon in another video.